So how do you know what needles to use with what yarn? Usually, in fact, in almost all cases, you're going to find an indication on the yarn label itself that'll tell you what needles to use with it. So here, if you look at this yarn label, you'll see that it says 5mm US 8. Now that's a needle size. That's a knitting needle size. And what that tells you is that you want to use the recommended needle for this yarn is a 5mm US 8. So then, to find the needle, you're going to go look at the needles. And so this case, it's a 9 and a 5.5mm needle, which is a little bit larger, one size larger than the recommended needle for this yarn. It's still going to work because you're within a size or two. You could also have a yarn that doesn't tell you the exact needle size, but it tells you the type of yarn. In this case, it says it's a worsted weight yarn. And for that type of yarn, there's recommended needle sizes. And you can find those, if you look at our website and you look at our knitting FAQs, you'll see that we've got a chart that lists out each type of yarn and then the range of needle sizes that will go with that yarn.